What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Yamaha V-Star 650. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. It's a 650 V-Star. It's usually everyone's starter bike, but it's in great shape for what it is, man. Scuff there on the rear fender, not a big deal. Got a scuff here, looks like on the, oh nope, just some dirt. Scuff there. It's all got stock pipes, stock everything, which is great. They run the best that way. So it all looks like it's in good shape. The chrome's in good shape. Front fender, a couple scuffs. Scuff right there. Some scratches along the front fender there. A couple scuffs right there. Nope, it's nothing. This is in good shape, guys. I showed you some scratches here and there, not a huge deal. Top of the tank. We got a chip in the paint. Nope, just a scuff. 3,191 miles, basically no miles on it. Oh, it's got no choke, that's no choke. Let's put the choke on real quick. Bike runs good, guys. Like I said, 2007 Yamaha V-Star 650. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. I have a ton of these. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.